Yo, babes.
Yo, what go, my G? Yo, tingle me
G.
general.
How would I brother ya?
Yo, brother, what go? You good, dog? Yo, we need to talk to you now, real quick, you know, dog.
Yo, man, I tell you, not like the party did shell last night.
What do you mean, dog?
Break
It's
it.
shell over like a beach, brother.
Beer, girl.
Dog. Man, I tell you, most we gonna get that little shot of the number, you know, dog.
Yo, look a shot with the braids?
Yeah.
Yo, you should have get that link there from a long time in my you.
Dog, I wish I could have seen her again. Hey, my girl. Hey, my girl. Look here now. Remember me. I said, give me a one dance. Come here, man. Come here, man. Let me tell you something. Wait. First. You have a man? No. You sure you have a man? Alright, man. Let me tell you something. You know, say me da ram you like a bank on a Friday evening, you know. What you say? Can come here, please?
Sure.
Alright, man.
Get up.
No, man, not gonna eat it
Man,
again.
come, get up.
Ow.
Come, get up.
Ow.
Come, my boyfriend, come.
Boyfriend?
Yeah, get up. Come now.
No, hold on.
Get
Boyfriend?
up. Yes.
But you never tell me say enough of man.
Well, yeah, but me didn't know him that come tonight. Come, get up. Come on now.
No.
Man,
Why?
come. Come now.
Let me meet him. Let me talk to him.
Him have a gun.
Gone. Well, must carry his out there.
Come on. You have to go find something. Wait. Come now, come. You have to come under the bed.
Under which bed? After me not gonna no
No,
bed.
you have to come. By the way, you can't go behind the door. Come.
Me not go in on no closet.
You can come in the closet. It have a lot of space. Come.
Me not go in no closet.
Come in the closet.
Me not go in no closet, man.
You know what? You alone I get gunshot in here now. You alone. Come, you not going in the closet.
Me not go in no closet.
You have to go in.
Yo, babes.
Yo, what go, my G? Yo, tingle me
G.
general.
How would I brother ya?
Yo, brother, what go? You good, dog? Yo, we need to talk to you now, real quick, you know, dog.
How you brother?
Yo, you know, so my brother get at one party last night, you know, dog. You know, so me kind
So me don't know what the party is. Hold on, what going?
You know, so me kind of sort it out and things, you know, but
I just my friend. You just come
Friend.
over to just show me something.
she never
I don't look like you have on
she never called my friend last time.
No.
But you may say no. You know, so I rate you, brother. I rate you. Is it?
Yeah.
And I got one reason with you. Is it me? I say,
Hey, well, reason about what?
you know,
Brother, I don't come see you necessarily. What kind of reason you want? I don't understand that.
brother, you may say no, man. And just to be honest with you, dog, I sort it out, dog.
What do you mean?
I sort it out.
What you tell me?
I sort it out, brother. You know, so you tell me say you have a strap to you, brother. Alright. Hear me say no.
Yeah.
You see, if she never tell me say, she never have a man.
A lie. I tell you.
But yo, listen this.
Wait. First. You have a man?
See that?
Wait.
So hear me
So
say.
hold on, that you really tell
A
man?
lie,
So hear me say no, man. Hear me say no, man. Yes. You see, you know she's a good youth, brother. You see me I say? But I rate you, brother. I rate you, dog. You're a smart youth. Come in a deal with girl who have money now. You hear the voice now, brother. So hear me as MG. You see, your problem is not with me, you know. And with she. Alright?
Style thing.
So hear me as man. Me God, you go get himself.
Yo. Hold on there.
What for did you hear?
Big up yourself.
Oh, you mean people that don't know says your boy Yardman Ethan. Thank you guys for watching that video. I just want to give special thanks to Kolinsky and JNL Comedy. So please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and keep the vibe. Oh, you mean?